I'm really enjoying this phase, yeah. But वही है, we need more good actors, more good script writers,
Hmm.
because they are there, but still अभी थोड़ा बाकी है, थोड़ा
Hmm.
अभी
Hmm.
तक वहां पहुंचने के लिए. पर शायद this whole COVID thing has changed a little bit of dimensions,
Hmm.
and maybe things will be different now,
Hmm.
better, I guess,
Hmm.
and people will be more experimental,
Hmm.
and there'll be roles written for everyone,
Hmm.
uh, to the people who are maybe hardworking and true to their craft. Maybe they will be in demand.
Hmm.
That's what I
Hmm.
heard from someone. And
Hmm.
वही I think it's a great phase, यार. I think
Hmm.
क्योंकि प्लेटफॉर्म भी बहुत सारे हैं. You need more
Hmm.
actors to be there. और बहुत ही और अच्छे एक्टर्स भी हैं अभी. बहुत अच्छी
Hmm.
टीम आ रही है बाहर, and it's great. I think it's
Hmm.
really great. But apart from this, I would like to say one more thing is we still have to explore women's characters. अभी तक हमारे पास women को लेके कुछ अच्छा लिखना, मुझे लगता है कि इसके ऊपर अभी तक मतलब बहुत कम लोग काम कर पा रहे हैं.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
we need more women stories. Really need more stories which talks about different women. We are not just, कि ऐसा नहीं है अभी. सब लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि Rajshri, you do a lot of bold characters. I said, what is bold character? I'm just performing the normal people. हम सब में एक bold इंसान है.
Hmm.
If you look back to your mother, she is bold. You look
Hmm.
back to your dadi, she is bold. Your sister, she is bold. And what I'm performing is same old women from the
Hmm.
daily life. पर
Hmm.
वही मुझे लगता है कि इसको हमें और एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अदरवाइज वो स्टेरियोटिपिकल कैरेक्टर्स हो जाते हैं. वी नीड टू एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑन women, and we should know how a women character should be written. See what happened, how social work happened in my life, when I finished my school, and then I started
Hmm.
doing theater and all. And उस बीच में मुझे काफी वक्त भी मिलता था. I used to travel a lot, and उसके साथ साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ कि मैं काफी ऐसी जगह गई. इंडिया में ही काफी ट्रैवल किया था इनिशियली, तो बहुत सारे ऐसे जो रूट इश्यूज थे, उससे मेरा पाला पड़ा था. और एज आई सेट, व्हेन यू रीड बुक्स लाइक प्रेमचंद एंड चुगताई एंड जोशी and उदय प्रकाश, you're already connected to these characters, and when you
Hmm.
look at them and you see the injustice which is happening in front of you, you what happens, you absorb what is happening, maybe for your character, what, but then what next? you know मैं किरदार कर तो लेती हूँ. मैं I did Angry Indian Goddesses where I played Lakshmi, again an injustice to a woman.
Hmm.
But then I realized that we make films, we make documentary films, and as a filmmaker we see so many things about about
Hmm.
the issues and about injustice,
Hmm.
like like if you look at the whole of Benegal's film, you connect with each and every character and you say that wow, what a performance.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
when you actually see, everything is happening outside in front of you.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
what you're doing, you are standing in a Toronto Film Festival with a designer dress and, smiling. But your film will never travel where actually the problem is.
Hmm.
But the
Hmm.
problem is still there, no?
Hmm.
So then I decided that if the problem is there, then I should go there and I should work for that problem. See, method, as I think, said it before also, that,
Hmm. Hmm.
of course, you have to prepare yourself. Actor को
Hmm.
कभी holiday नहीं होता है. You have to constantly absorb. You have to constantly read. You have to see what is happening in the society, with your people.
Hmm.
और खुद को भी, like खुद को भी तैयार रखना, जैसे एज आई सेड मेडिटेशन इज देयर, हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो तुम एक्टर हो या ना हो, कुछ भी हो, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन। Fitness is, it's not compulsory that that you should do this only or you should do that only.
Hmm.
Whatever you like. There are some
Hmm.
people who really love gymming. There are some
Hmm.
people who only love yoga.
Hmm.
There are some people who like maybe aerobics. Some people will like something else. It's
Hmm.
not a compulsion that और ये भी बहुत कभी कभी हो जाता है कि gym body is a wrong thing. No,
Hmm.
why?
Hmm.
That's what maybe they would love to be. It's
Hmm.
not compulsion. तुमको basic fitness तो जरूरी है, which will
Hmm.
keep you healthy. सबसे
Hmm.
इम्पोर्टेंट ये बात है कि तुम्हें हेल्दी रहना है फिजिकली, ठीक है। दैट इज व्हाट इज यू विल वर्क आउट विथ योर वट एवर वर्कआउट यू आर डूइंग। उसके बाद
Hmm.
तुम्हें मेंटली हेल्दी रहना है। when you are how you will be mentally healthy is, of course, you read nice stuff, you are you're discussing something nice, you be a good person with the society where you are, you're with the family, you know and keep yourself happy. You have to be happy also along with that. So
Hmm.
uske baad you have to be you have to understand. Apart from this, you have to understand whenever you're preparing a character, you have to understand how the character is. ये कैरेक्टर जिम करता है क्या, ये कैरेक्टर क्या करता होगा। अगर ये कैरेक्टर इस हिसाब से कर रहा है बिहेव, तो उस हिसाब से शायद तुमको खुद को ढालना पड़ेगा इफ यू वांट टू बी इन दैट कैरेक्टर। जैसे चुगताई हैड अ लिटिल वेट, so 2 साल से मैं अपना मैं I was like put on a lot of weight for that, because
Hmm.
that was part of the characterization, that was part of her facial gesture.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो ये हो गया बाहर का, राइट।
Hmm.
अंदर
Hmm.
के लिए, एज आई सेड, you have to prepare yourself with mind,
Hmm.
the thinking process, reading, like absorbing everything, to prepare yourself in the inner विथ। अब जैसे अभी मेमोरीज हो गया या टेक्निक हो गया, सो ये सारी चीजें जब तुम उसके साथ कैरेक्टर के साथ प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो खुद को, तो उसके साथ साथ तुम इतना, मतलब पढ़ाई करते करते तुम इतना उस कैरेक्टर के जैसा बिहेव करने लगते हो कि यू एक्चुअली फॉरगेट Rajshri in that, and you are there whenever you're performing, you are Subhadra or whoever that character is. So उसके लिए तुम्हें उस वक्त कोई मेथड की इतनी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट एंड यू हैव टू बी कॉन्स्टेंटली देयर। मतलब आई डोंट नो, देयर आर सम पीपल आर वेरी गुड एट इट कि भाई शॉट दिया, बाहर आ गए, एंड देन हे मैन, और कोई हो सकता है, बट I like to be there in that character whenever I am shooting for something.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like what we do, follow us on our socials and check out our other uploads.